Hello everyone, welcome back to TJ's Life, and I am TJ. Today I'm coming back with a little mini haul that I've gotten from Stationery Pal. I just cut the bag, well, the package open right here on the side. I haven't gone in and looked at anything, but if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you can continue to stay to the end of the video, just go ahead and hit that like button and then hit the bell notification one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. So let's just go ahead and hop right on in. So I decided that I wanted to get some washi tape and things, and I keep hearing about Stationery Pal, so I decided that I would let me check it out and see what's going on. So comes in pink packaging. It took probably about a week before it came, and I didn't know or didn't realize that it really was coming from Japan. So let's go ahead and pull these things out. Okay, so I got the basic washi tape. I remember ordering that. Oh, let me pull this out first. So there's a card in here, and it says thank you on this side here. And it says, so it has my name, Dear Tanja, thanks for making our stationery store bloom and allowing us to unlock wholesale prices for every stationery lover. We've created a special discount code just for you. So I have a discount code. Show off your package on your Instagram story and tag at Stationery Pal for a chance to win free gifts. Warmest regards, and packed by Stationery Pal, Ruby. Okay, that was nice. So we're going to set that there. So as I started to pull this out, so I pulled out, I just wanted some basic washi tape. So let's see what's in here. Move this over. Yep, this is exactly, see, I like these colors. Pretty neutral to me. So I see that there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 6 narrow washi tapes, and then 2 that's a little wider. I like that. Okay, and they have it under yellow. And let's see what's next. Okay, and I chose this black with the silver washi tape. Look like you get quite a bit on here too. Black is my favorite color, so I like this. Let's see here. I know I got another box. Oh, these are pretty. It says masking tape on here, but basically the same thing. Washi tape. Look at that. And they got some real thin ones. Oh, this one has. Okay, let me see. How do I get this out of here? Let's see. Do I just take it out? Hold on. So I did want. Okay, look at that. That looks like. Oh, it says coffee. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. This one has coffee beans. Is this the, I think this is, oh yeah, this is the coffee one that I chose. See, it's in Japanese. But I know I did want the one with coffee. Let's see what's on here. Oh, just little things here. I like, it gives you that, look at that. That's a, what you call that? A lighthouse. That's a lighthouse. That's nice. Okay. This has numbers on it, so this like goes up to 12. Okay, so this is probably like for time. And then it has days of the week here. I like that. Let's go. Here's another really wide one. Travel, basically. It has a voyage on there. That's nice. This one here, just numbers, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. What does it say? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, I don't know, it just has numbers on here. I guess you could use this kind of like for dates also. Like half moons and moons. Like that. This one. Excuse my nails, they're not done. That's nice. Can you guys see that? Nice and basic. You get quite a bit. And this has Roman numerals on there. I like that also. Really nice. Let's see if I can pack it back in here. Really nice. And put that there. Okay. That's the side. What's next? Oh, I feel something. Oh, this must be a freebie. It's a little torn in the back. There's nothing in there. Okay, looks like a little bear or a dog with a little hat on. What else? A little, probably could be used as a, you know, it's a clip. Use it as a clip. Hold the pages together or something in my planner. Oh, that's cute. Okay, see? And then I got pens. So, let's see here. To pull my scissors out here. Can I cut it in? Ooh, I love pens. Oh, look at that. Let's see. This one says it says penguin cake. I'm gonna do a pen test too in a second here. This one has flower rabbit. What's this one? This one says star picking penguin. Let's put these here. Okay. All right, and this was a it was like color matching or color coding or something, but it was like supposed to be like all black pens. And I know so these must be free. I didn't order these. I don't remember ordering these. Okay. So we are going to do pen test. Okay, so what kind of pen is this? Oh, this is a Muji. I've never had one before, and I hear a lot of people like these. So let's see how it writes. Is this something that comes off? Let me see. Yep, but take the little plastic part off. So this is a Muji. Oh, wait a minute. Sure, get it all off here. Okay. Let's see. Muji. Okay, that's nice. Stationery Pal. Oh, I like that. Okay, so that's that, and then I gotta open this here. Okay, here, set of pens. And I'll tell you guys what each one says. I think this one looks like, I don't know what that is. This says, oh, this is a mild liner. And, like it's gray. Oh yeah. It's a dark gray. Is it two-tip? Yep. So that's the I guess wide, the highlighter part. And this is fine. Okay, I like that. Who's this by? I don't know. Okay, it tells me right here, this is the bowed end. That was this one here. And then this is fine right here. Nice. Okay, so this here says brush sign pen. All right, let's see. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Okay. Ooh, excuse my handwriting. Oh, it is. It's like a, yeah, it's like a brush pen. Okay. I like that. Never had anything like that before. Okay, so this is a Pilot Juice pen, 0.5 black. Take the little bead off of here. Okay, Pilot Juice. And 0.5. Yeah, I like that too. Okay. And then the last one is a Sarasa clip. Oh, zebra Sarasa clip. Okay, I've heard of these too. All right, and I have a feeling this is gonna write in gray. Zebra. Yep, it's in dark gray. Sarasa. This is 0.5. 0.5. Gray. Yeah, that's nice. Never had a pen that could write in gray. And I did want a gray midline. So this is perfect. I really want one of those. Okay, so let's check these out. Let's see. Is this gonna write in pink? No. Hate having to peel the wax off of here. Okay, let's see here. Doesn't say if it's what point it is. So what's this one called? Sweet Flower Rabbit. Oh, it's black also. Flower Rabbit. Nice. This is probably a 0.5. And I have a feeling all of these are going to be black. Hold on. I'm getting ink all over my finger. Alright, so this one says penguin cake. Okay. Yep, they're all going to be in black. Ooh, I'm going to have to take one of these to work, because I'm going to love writing with this. Alright, give me a second. I can't get this off. Okay. And this one is Star Picking. Star. Oops, that's horrible. Picking Ping. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like the way all of these write. The true test will be when it's time for me to write into my planner which one I want to use. Yeah, I like it. Okay. I really like these. Yep, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys my mini haul. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.